Selling on Vinted, a platform for buying and selling second-hand fashion items, involves creating listings, engaging with buyers, and managing transactions. Here's a concise guide. Sign up. Create a Vinted account through the mobile app or website. Create listings. Upload clear photos of the items you want to sell. Write detailed and accurate descriptions, including size, condition, brand, and any imperfections. Pricing. Set competitive and reasonable prices for your items. Consider factors like brand, condition, and original retail price. Shipping. Choose a shipping option. Vinted provides labels for some regions. Set shipping costs or offer free shipping to attract buyers. Engage with buyers. Respond promptly to inquiries and messages from potential buyers. Provide additional information if needed. Negotiations. Buyers may make offers lower than your listed price. Be open to negotiation while ensuring it's a fair deal for both parties. Transaction process. Once a buyer agrees to purchase, they will make the payment through Vinted. Ship the item within the specified time frame using the provided label if applicable. Packaging. Carefully pack the item to ensure it reaches the buyer in the same condition as described. Rating and feedback. After the buyer receives the item, they can rate and provide feedback. Promptly rate the buyer too. Payment. Vinted holds the funds until the buyer confirms receipt of the item. Once confirmed, the funds are released to your Vinted wallet. Withdraw funds. Transfer your funds from the Vinted wallet to your bank account. Communication. Keep communication clear and friendly throughout the process to build trust with buyers.